Good afternoon. How are you? Okay, let's start today's topic, right? In mathematics, the topic is numbers. In this topic, we will study about the numbers, right? So, firstly, tell me how many types of numbers? There are two types of numbers. First one is real number. Second one is very good. So let's check that what is the real number and what is the imaginary number, right? So firstly we will discuss imaginary number. So the number which is supposed by anyone, the number which is supposed, which is imagined, is called imaginary number. Like x, y, z, we can say that all variables are imaginary number because there is no fixed value of the variables. When we take x minus 5 is equal to 0, the value of x comes out 5. When we take x minus 12 is equal to 0, the value of x comes out x is equal to 12. Means is that in first equation the value of x was 5 and second equation the value of x was 12. We can say that there is no fixed value of the any variable, right? That's why we can say that this is the imaginary number. Now clear? Everyone? Very good. Now came in real number. There are two types of real number. One of them is rational number. Second one is very good. So first we will discuss irrational number. What is the irrational number? The number which have no fixed value. We can say the number which have no fixed value means is that we could not count the value is called irrational number. And there are three major factor of the, we can say that there are three major factor of the rational number. If the number which is not a rational number is called irrational number, we can say that the number which is not a rational number is a irrational number. And second one is the number which is non-terminating and non-repeating is called right? Everyone have clear? Very good. Now we will discuss about the rational numbers. Okay, the number which is in the form of p upon q, where q not is equal to 0 is called a rational numbers. Except its, there are three conditions of the rational numbers. One of them is number should be in the form of p upon q, and second one is that the co-prime factor of the p and q should be 1, and third one, we can say last one and most important condition is that number should be either terminating or repeating. We can say that number should be either terminating or repeating is called rational number. In rational number, we read natural number and whole number and odd number and even number and prime number and composite number and integers. These all are rational number. We can say natural number is a rational number or not? We can say that natural number is a rational number. Can we say that beta composite number is a rational number? We can say that composite number is a rational number. So everyone knows, I think, what is natural number. The number which is start from 1 to infinite is called right. Whole number. The number which is start from 0 to infinite is called what is the odd number. The number which is not divisible by 2 is called example 1 3 5 7 9 to infinite, right? What is even number? The number which is divisible by 2 is called even number, like 2 4 6 8 to infinite, right? Now came in the prime number. It's the most important. What is prime number? We can say that the number which is divisible by itself and 1 is called prime number. What? Question is that which is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is 2. I will ask you, why not 1? Can you tell me why not 1 is a prime number? Why 1 is not a prime number? Can you tell me about it? Tell me. Sir, there is another definition of the prime number. The number which have only 2 factor is called prime number, right? Yes, sir. So example is 2 3 5 7, right? Yes. If we talk about 1, why not a prime number? Because 1 have only 1 factor. That's why we can say that 1 is not a prime number. We start a prime number from 2. Everyone understand? Yes, sir. Why 1 is not a prime number? Everyone understand? Yes, sir. Tell me which is the smallest prime number? 2. Very good. Now come to the point and let's talk about the composite number. What is the composite number? The number which have more than 2 factors is called composite number. Very good. Example 4 6 infinite. Tell me which is the smallest composite number? 4. Why not 2 or 3? Because 2 and 3 have only 2 factor. 1 have only 1 factor. We cannot say that 1 2 3 are the composite number, because the definition of composite number is that the number which have more than 2 factor is called composite number. The number 4 have 3 factors. One of them 1, 2 and 4 itself. These 3 factors have in the 4 have 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. That's why we can say that the smallest composite number is a 4. Very good. What is the integers? The number which is start from 0 to positive and 0 to negative is called integers. Very good. Everyone have understand? Yes, sir. Definitely? Yes, sir. Once again? Yes, sir. Very good. So, thank you.